There's a number of different global trends that are happening, not only in the financial market, but also in the other industries. The main thing that I consider the most important is that the customers have changed significantly. The main difference for the financial sector is that the customer is not anymore the usual corporate customer or the retail customer, but rather the hybrid. The customers have become more entrepreneurial. They have the entrepreneurial mindset that is basically shaping the way how they see and use also the financial services. Luminor is very deeply looking into understanding what those kind of entrepreneurial customers want and where exactly they want to go further. And this is something that we are dedicating quite a lot of energy and time in order to build the service that is really fit for those kind of hybrid entrepreneurial people that are so badly needed in the new economy. At the Creative Impact Conference, I'm going to focus on that main part that is really shaping the industry. The fact that the customer is not the same anymore, that it has become completely new type of customer that needs completely new type of service.